Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. Now Valentine's Day is approaching and I just wanted to give you guys this full glam makeup look so you can wear on your day out or whatever you end up doing for that special day. We're going to start out this look by priming our eyelids with our e.l.f. primer, and then I'm going to just quickly, spread that over my eyelids with my finger. And then moving on to concealer on top of our eyelids as well. I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Deep Golden. And I'm just going to spread that out with my flat angled brush that I have that I really like for spreading out cream products over my eyelids. And then I'm just going to quickly set that concealer with some loose powder so that our eyeshadow has a nice base to go over. Going into the Femme Rosa palette by ColourPop in the shade She, I'm going to blend that in my crease area like so. So we have a nice pinky transition shade. Super happy with this color. It's such a pretty shade. Then moving into the It's My Ray Ray palette with BH Cosmetics, I'm going to use the shade Sunset to blend into that transition shade that we just used earlier as well. Just because I wanted to see the two kind of orangey pinky shades mixed in together, I thought that'd be really nice. Then we're going to dip into the shade Friday, and I'm going to put that lower in my crease, like directly where my eye crease is, just so we can start to deepen this eye look for that nice sultry glam effect that we want to have, whatever we're doing for single or on a date, just want to look great. And then I'm going to go in with that shade Lonnie, and I'm going to deepen our crease even further. And I am using a small pencil brush for this because I want it to be as precise as possible. So I'm going to place it down in my crease area, and because I'm doing a halo eye, I go all the way to the inner corner and outer corners, and I'm just placing it like so, just so we have that nice beautiful dark purple shade to take this look to the next level. And then taking a fluffy brush, I'm blending out that edge so it can blend in better with the two shades that we applied earlier, because I don't want it to be like too thick, and I want a nice blend to happen. Moving in with that ColourPop concealer, I'm going to cut the middle of our lid since I am going for a halo effect. I'm going to be using the shade Tiffany from this palette to put in the center of our lid. It's such a beautiful color. It's very nice rose gold. Love this. Also, if you do not have this It's My Ray Ray palette, girl, you're missing out. And then on top of that, to add some depth and dimension, I'm going to add the shimmer shade Allison, which is also very gorgeous. A super bright, beautiful color. And voila, guys, that is honestly the finished eye look. We're going to move on to our face. I am going to prime my face with the No Pore Blend primer. Also, I did add my lashes off camera, as I always do, because your girl cannot add lashes on camera. Struggle bus over there. I actually can't remember which lashes these are at the moment, but if I find them, I will try to list them down below. And of course, I'm going to set my primer with some loose powder, as I always do, because I don't need my face to oil up on Valentine's Day when I'm out trying to look cute and get chosen, okay? For foundation, we are going to be doing the Maybelline Full Coverage Super Stay Foundation. Absolutely love this, and I am in the shade 355 Coconut for reference. This is such a beautiful foundation, like super nice and natural, radiant looking, which is definitely the look that we are trying to go for on Valentine's Day. Moving on to concealer, I'm going to use that ColourPop concealer once again to conceal my under eyes, my chin, the middle of my forehead, and the bridge of my nose slightly. This is an amazing concealer, and I think it's only like $6, which is the best thing ever. I love this a lot. This is another product that if you don't have, well, you're really missing out, sis. And I'm just using my Morphe sponge to blend all of that out into perfection. And just so you know, I do usually let my concealer sit for a little bit just so that I can get the maximum amount of coverage. And then I'm just going to set my under eye with some loose powder. I think I use the Maybelline loose powder for this purpose. And then I'm just going to dust it all away because I don't want it to sit on my face too much. Going back to my under eye, I'm going to be using the shade Friday underneath my lower lash line. And then I'm going to try to do some lower lash mascara with this e.l.f. mascara there. I don't actually like this mascara at all. I got it for free in an e.l.f. package that I got, and I thought I'd try it, but I'm not a fan of the wand. It just doesn't do anything for me. So to contour, I did try to use the shade Mocha in the It's My Ray Ray palette, and again, I just felt like this was a little too cool toned for me. So I don't know what to do to make these contours work, but I'm going to keep trying because I don't want to give up on them. So that's why I end up going in with that L'Oreal one to warm up my face a little bit more, because I think it's more of a warmer contour and it's just way better for the purposes of this video. And then I go in with this ColourPop bronzer in the shade Bits and Pieces to add some real warmthness back to our face, girl, because we want to look nice and healthy on Valentine's Day. We do not want to look gray and cold. Moving on to highlighter, I'm going to be using the Jackie Aina collaboration with Artist Couture. I end up using La Peach on my cheeks because I thought it was going to be the most perfect highlighter for this purpose. I have absolutely been loving these highlighters because they're so great. And on our lips, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. x Alyssa Ashley collaboration gloss. I absolutely love this gloss. It's so pretty. It's called Nude Rose, and it's like the most perfect nude rose ever. So this is the final glam look that we're going to be wearing on Valentine's Day. I got my pink wig on. I was clearly feeling myself, and if you aren't, I don't know what to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you haven't already, please subscribe and don't forget to like and comment on this video.